Good morning, Steve Reed with the morning grain comments. Well, markets are mixed with beans up a penny, corn unchanged to down a penny, while wheat's up 5 cents. Outside market stocks again are lower. The dollar this time is lower, while crude's higher and gold is higher. Over the weekend, we've continued to see escalation in tensions between Russia and Ukraine. We also noted that in the wheat market, we rallied Friday on talk that the Ukrainian government is not giving export licenses and paperwork for the second largest Russian wheat exporter because of some type of quality issues. Some people think it's more of Russia trying to monopolize the export market, but we'll have to see if that slows down any exports of wheat out of Russia. We did note that Bulgaria and Romania last week actually had lower prices on the Egyptian tender than the Russians. As far as the corn complex is, again, we're looking at corn sales for the U.S. now, commitments up 19% from last year. The USDA's goal is up 26%. 34% of the U.S. corn acres is considered in drought conditions, with Iowa at 84%, but there is rain in the next few days coming across those dry areas. Brazil Safina corn crop is 85% planted, and Mato Grosso and Paraná remain dry and warm. Argentina rains, supposedly, there's some reports about heavy rains damaging the corn crop, and BAGE lowered the corn crop in Argentina from 56.5 to 54 million tons. Dalian corn futures are down. Imports are double what they were a year ago. Matif corn, though, is at a 12-session high, 10-week high for the prices on concern about potential slowdown in imports, especially from Ukraine. U.S. soybean sales were last week in line with the numbers to get the USDA goal. Brazil farmers selling, with harvest now over 70% done. Asian markets mixed trade, with beans up, meal, palm oil, and soybean oil all lower. And we noted that the UK, France, and Germany all lowered their oilseed crop ratings, and EU imported a 50% duty tax on Russian oilseed imports. Hard red runner wheat ratings continue to be above last year. There's concern, though, that if we flip to some kind of La Nina, that the winter and spring wheat weather conditions may not be as good as normal this spring and summer. There is this Russian wheat export issues, and whether they'll give export paperwork for wheat that's loaded. Matif wheat futures are higher, and EU put some kind of Russia import tax on duties coming in from Russia. So again, a choppy trade. Beans up a penny, corn down a penny, and wheat up 5.